Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing the new iPhone. I hope that you will like it and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I got this phone a couple of days ago and I'm just so excited to open it, and it's in white color. It's pretty hard to get this one. When the registration opened up for it, I didn't even see such an option, so I just got whatever was there. But actually when we came to the store, the white color was available, so I was able to change it, which is fantastic. So this is how it looks. It's so pretty. I love it. I love this shade. And of course it comes with the charger, but again there is no plug, so you will have to buy it separately or reuse the previous one. And of course there is no headphones either, nothing. Well, over the years Apple has become a bit more greedy and reduced all the accessories that used to come with it for free. Let's talk about the improvements. The camera is better, the quality is better for sure, and I can definitely see the difference. And also what I like about it, that there is a filter, so you can adjust the light. Of course you could do it before, but I feel like there are a lot more options. I think I will be using this feature quite often. Here you can see a bit better how it would look. I actually don't change iPhone every single year. I only renew it every couple of years because otherwise the upgrade is so minor. It just doesn't make any sense to spend this kind of money for a tiny upgrade. The weight is so much less, which is fantastic. I love it because my 14 Plus is a lot heavier than this one, and I can just feel the difference straight away. And another feature is the button on the side, so it's so much easier to take selfies. I would give this upgrade 8 out of 10. The features are pretty useful for me. It's definitely better than the previous upgrades, which were a bit minor. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it useful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!